Hey there, today I will show you how to connect a Bloom wallet. It's very easy to do. Bloom wallet is an extra layer to an existing Ton wallet. It allows users to check their Ton token balance and view transaction history. Users can also earn points by participating in activities such as playing the drop game, completing tasks, or buying meme coins. So how you can connect it? First, open your Bloom wallet app, then select Connect Wallet. After selecting this, you will select your preferable Ton wallet. I'm selecting Ton wallet. Then confirm to connect this. Select yes. Then from here you will see a confirmation message to connect wallet. Just select a, tap on it, then enter your passcode to connect your wallet, and then open your Ton browser. Then select browser, and you will see the Bloom added to your Ton wallet here, and that's it. That's how you can connect Bloom to your Ton wallet. If you want you helpful, then don't forget to give a like and comment. If you want this type of video, then subscribe our channel.